In this video, we're going to look at the measure menu, which exists up here. This is something that can help us out a lot when we are either A, trying to plan a search assignment. So maybe I actually want to measure the area of this copse of trees where our previous trail ended. And so I want to see, how big of an area is that if I send a dog team there before I create a polygon. So I can just start drawing as if I was making a search assignment, which I showed you guys in the previous videos. And then I double click to end it. And it shows me that that's a 31-acre search assignment. Or maybe I have a trail that ended here and I had a dog team right here and I want to send them up there. I can either A, use this measure to get point, position, and elevation. So maybe I want to give them the coordinates of where to go to. So I can just click where I want that position information at so I can get all my coordinates to give to them. Maybe they want to just quickly look at their compass and get a bearing, and so I know they have given me their coordinate and I know that they are, at this position. I then can go up to my measure and take a bearing. So they are right down here. I click right down there and I want to send them to there. Okay, double click and then I can tell them to take a bearing of 322.4 degrees. If I want to use true north. If I want to use magnetic north, I would send them to 329.2. So if they're using a traditional compass, that's going to make a difference versus if they are using the compass on a GPS. I also know that that would be a 0.8 miles at that bearing for them to meet up with that person. It gives you two different ways to send somebody in the field to another team. So we want the team from Sector 3 to meet up with the trailer or to meet up where they ended at exactly. So it gives you a fail-safe if GPSs weren't working, if you were only using compasses. But it also lets the team use whatever they prefer for navigation.